Hello, and hi. Wait, I can't hear you. Can you try to speak? Can you speak? Hello.
Hello, teacher. Hello, teacher.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm Minan.
Oh, hi. And can I call you Anne?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Hi, Anne. Oh, wow. That's very beautiful. Who gave it to you?
Yes. And I eat this
Oh, I see. Why do you have a lot of flowers in your house?
and hái ở trong hái
Okay, that's really beautiful, and I love it.
pick it on we garden.
Oh, you have a garden. Wow. Okay, that is nice. It's really good to have lots of flowers in the house. So now, oh, by the way, I am Alf, but you can call me Teacher Alf, and I will be your teacher for today. And so now let me share my screen. And for today, we will continue with this one right here. Okay, okay. So can you see it clearly? And yes, you can. Okay, thank you. Now, can you tell me what is it? What is it? It's a bun. Yes, it is a bun. It's a yummy bun. Did you eat your dinner already, Anne? Did you
We
eat
are
dinner?
yes.
Oh, yes, you did. Okay, what did you eat for dinner, Anne?
We have fried
Rice and
meat and soup.
oh wow, that's really delicious. Wait, what is your name?
Name is Minan.
Oh, okay. Your name is Minan. But what about your brother?
Is my name Thai.
Phi? Phi? Is your name Phi?
Thai.
Okay. Nice to meet you, Phi.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay, you're so nice. Now let us continue. Okay, so we have here. Can you can you give me the sound of B? What is the sound of B? It's B, B. Okay, so we have here and okay, so we have fun. Okay, fun. Okay, so now let's just proceed in here.
I like her. It's Rumi.
You like to eat what?
She like purple. And she
Oh,
like Rumi. Yes.
oh,
My
okay.
hair is purple.
Oh, okay. So it's the K K-pop, right?
Yes. Paper.
Well, I haven't watched that movie yet, but you like Rumi the best.
Yes. Rumi, Mia, Joey.
Oh, okay. The three of them. Okay, I see. Do you know their song?
Oscar say no. Ha, yeah, Jen. Ha, it's okay. Ha, in the sun and no. Ha, you live. I'm water queen. I need to go cyclist outside and I can bun okay. Kanara will fly for not to fly. But I will be my family play.
I'm done hiding now. Oh,
Wishing and hearted is a strong louder beat. When I
okay,
go
wake up.
to
The
the
moment.
garden, the
Gonna be golden.
garden was it? Don't you shining, don't you shining? Oh, now it's
Now
cycle like
like we're meant to be. Okay, thank you so much for singing that one, Anne. Okay, I see that you really love to sing. You should continue singing when you're older, Anne, especially maybe enrolling in music class. That would really help you a lot. Oh, okay, you are still singing, but I can't hear you now. Okay, thank you so much. And yeah, thank you. And so now going back to our lesson, let me erase this and let us see if you can remember it all. What is it again? And but very good. What about this one? What is she doing? She is run. Okay, she is running. Now, what about him? He is having.
Yes.
He is having. He is. It's. Oh, wait, let me. Okay. Oh, you're writing it. I see. But. And the next one is run. What about the third one? And. Okay, you're smart. What about the boy? He is having fun. Okay. Well done. That is correct. And thank you so much. So now we'll proceed to the next one. Okay, so in here, all you have to do is to encircle it. And the boy is having, is it fun or bun? Can you encircle your answer? And let me see. Just choose one. And what is your answer? Is it F or B? Is it fun or bun? The boy is having. Yes, there you have it. The boy is having fun. Okay, now what about the girl right here? She is. What is she doing? Can you, okay. Can you encircle it? She is. You can do it. And what do you think is the answer here? Okay, very good. That is right. The girl is running. And the last one, and is it run? Is it run? And look at the picture and it's you've got this. Just take your time and you can answer it. Yes, there you have it. It's a bond. Now let us have this circle and right. Now, what is the boy doing? And can you encircle your answer? Okay, drink water first.
He this throws 30.
Oh, she's thirsty. I see. That's fine. Okay, so can you encircle your answer here? And what is the boy doing? Can you encircle the correct letters?
I don't see F.
Oh, you don't see F? Yes, because in here it's not fun, it's run. The boy is running. So we have to find R. Yes, there you have it. What's next? R? What's next to R and? Next letter and yes, very good. Run. Okay, can you write run here? Can you write it?
Này.
Okay. Yeah, make yourself comfortable and okay, can you tell me your answer here? Can you write it? Do you know how to write it? And
Yes, we have.
okay. Yes, you can. Okay, let me see. Can you write R, U, and N? Can you write it in here? Run.
Okay.
Thank you, Anne. But if you can't write it, Anne, that's okay. I can write it for you. Oh, there it is. Okay, now next one. What is it? Okay, can you encircle it as well? Just like what you did in the first one. Okay, we have B. What's next to B? We'll have. Okay, there you have it. And the last one is. And okay, very good. And can you write it now? Okay, just take your time and so while you're writing, and can you tell me what did you do in the morning, Anne? Okay, quiet. Is it done now? You're so cute, Anne. Okay. Let me see. Very good. Now the last one, and maybe I'll just ask questions later so you can focus. Okay. Last one, she is having. Now you can see F, right? Okay. It's F. Okay, very good. There you have it. And that is right. And okay. So after you are done writing it, we'll read it together. And okay, thank you. Now, can you read this word? Can you read it, Anne? Can you say run? Okay, what about this one? Can you read it too? Bun. Bun. I can't hear your voice, Anne. Can you say bun?
Bun.
Okay, and the last one, can you read it?
Bun.
Very good. There you have it. See, you can do it. Can you tell me what did you do in the morning, Anne? Did you play with your brother in the morning?
This uh
Yes, you did.
uh uh
Okay. Mm-hmm. So we'll answer now. And can you tell me what is it? What is it? Can you encircle your answer? Is it gum, cut, or bun? Okay, well done. That's right. It's a gum. What about in here? What is the girl doing? Is it not? Is it a nut? Nut is a food, right? So it's not it because it is a person doing a certain action. What is she doing? And she is. It's not. And okay, wait, let me show you what a nut is. These are nuts. Okay, these are nuts. And okay, so it's not our answer, right? Because in the picture we can see a person. What is the person doing? She is
run.
very good. She is running. And so we will encircle run. Okay, now what about the third picture? What is it? It's a okay, very good. It's a hut. And the last one, what about in here? It's a cup. Very good. And there you have it. Thank you so much. And so now let us proceed to the next activity. Okay, so in here, since I don't know where the audio is, okay, so we'll just stick to what's given in here. Okay, now listen to me and write where it should be written. Okay, so you have to write whether it's at, ab, or un. Okay, so now what about if I say cut, cut? Where should we write the word cut? And cut, cut.
Papa, em mày gấu gọi
What?
là vậy á.
What's cup mean?
This
It's
one,
đấy cup.
cut. Cut.
Cup.
Oh, you cut because we have at.
No.
At.
Cup.
Cup. We
Yes.
can't have cup. And because we don't have up. We don't have up here. See? We don't have U and P. That's why we can't have cup. We can only have cut. Cut. It means you're going to use scissors to cut a certain paper. Okay, to cut a paper. Cut. A baby? What about a baby? And what about a baby?
Not
You meant
Jack. Not Jack.
not. Okay.
Khóc một cái con mèo con. No, con sư tử con gấu con. Có những cái con thật.
What are you writing? And
She don't know. Cup is mean.
oh, okay, I see. Okay, let me translate it real quick. And for a moment, listen to the words.
Tự nhiên con biết chưa xong cô lại quan trọng lại.
Cô giải thích cho con.
Con biết chưa xong mẹ. Teacher,
Yes.
can you
Vietnamese.
Vietnamese?
Oh, yes,
Please.
I'm so sorry. Okay, because I had my Chinese class earlier. Okay, for a moment. Listen to the words I'll be saying and write it in the correct column.
Hãy lắng nghe những lời tôi nói và viết chúng vào cột đúng.
Okay.
Can you do it?
Can you
Bus.
do it at? Oh, you
Don't
can. Oh,
No.
okay, I see. So we'll
Don't
just
know
skip
what
that one.
cup is. She don't know what a cup means.
Oh, you don't know what cut means. So this is cut in Vietnamese. Okay, this is cut in Vietnamese. And it means you're going to use
Cup. Not
Cup.
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 Yes, that's right.
Con non.
It's a baby animal. Specifically, in here, a baby bear.
A baby bear. A baby lion.
A baby animal.
Yes, that is cub. And oh, okay. So that is why. That is cub. Okay.
Con này,
Ừ.
tự nhiên cô lại quan trọng, con biết chưa xong.
Để cô giải thích cho con. No problem. Don't worry.
Okay, so now and we'll just stick to the story. And in here I want you to read about friends. Okay. Can you read this one and can you read it? The cub
Chớ. Cup.
and the pup, the cub, and the pup are friends.
Friends.
They live in a hut.
In the hut.
I like to make buns.
I like to make bun.
I
I-
like
To run the bun.
very good. And okay, now let us continue this one.
3. The cup hum in cut nut.
Nuts. Okay. I like
Like bun. To yum.
Okay, yes. Well, read. And I see that you are good at reading as well already. Thank you so much for that. So, that is the story about two friends. We have the cub and the pup. Okay, so they both like different things, and both of them enjoys eating. Okay, so now, and I believe that would be all it for our class tonight. So, your teacher will continue the rest next meeting, okay? Thank you so much for your time and enjoy the rest of the night with your family. Goodbye and good night, and